have been primed and prepared enough for any contingencies that will come our way. Sure, there will be difficulties and new discoveries as we enter into adolescence and its uncertainties. But today has been made extra special by my family and friends for taking the time to share this special moment with me. You have been my support system through all these years. To many of us, our years at the Yoroma College of Tansa is the most cherished times of our lives. I remember those fond memories starting at grade 1 level, when Cherise and Ricardo were my friends. When I was in grade 2 level was the time when I realized that it's always best to study because our then advisor, Miss Ryan F. Lonto, always gave penalty when we failed in her quizzes. But my most memorable year is when we were in grade 6. Here I met my real friends, Karina and Marong. I will never forget the afternoon when we kept messing with the cockroaches in the sink. And for Mama Ape, who taught us how to play the guitar. But above all, there is our advisor, Teacher Caroline Angeles, who stands as our second mother in school. As we continue in our journey through life, we should make a vow to never forget the people who cross our path and touch our hearts. Our teachers, each of them fully dedicating themselves until the last long and productive minute to teach us all they could about the subject in less than an hour a day. And still gracefully succeeding intertwining morals, values, and spirituality into the daily lesson. Our friends, especially Sinep Gang, the ones who brought a smile to my face each and every morning. The ones who made lunch and 10 minutes break a nice respite in our day. We appreciate all our teachers and friends for they have each individually touched us in a way that we ourselves cannot understand. Every day and every encounter with each person helps carve us into the unique cultures we are today. I would also like to especially thank our parents, guardians, our families for supporting us throughout our lives. Thank you for loving us and dedicating yourselves to us as we grow into young men and women. With our support and encouragement, we will not be here today graduating from a school that has helped give us a foundation to be kind-hearted, loving, Christian individuals. Above all, I would like to thank God for blessing us with the opportunity to come to the Yoroma College of Tansa, where we were educated not only academically, but spiritually as well. We are very fortunate to have been schooled in a place where our Lord was loved and welcome. That has made all the difference. Now to my fellow graduates, classmates, and friends, this is your day. Thank you for making my experience here so amazing. I pray that you all live long, healthy, peaceful, and beautiful lives. I am confident that you will all achieve great and marvelous things, whether they are known to the rest of the world or are kept to yourselves within the depths of your hearts. Remember, never be afraid to love. If you love and appreciate someone, tell them. In the wise words, be compassionate, trust God, and learn to listen. Thank you.